In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean RAM cache in Windows 10 and Windows 11. You can also apply this process to your Windows 7 and Windows 8. So if your Windows is running slow or the processing time takes longer than expected, you can easily clear the RAM and make your Windows computer run faster. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do when you want to clear your Windows RAM is to close all hogging tasks. So these are the tasks that are taking most of your Windows memory. To do this, all you need to do is press the Control, Shift, and Escape button together at the same time, and this is going to open the Task Manager. Or right-click on the taskbar here, and then click on Task Manager to open your Windows Task Manager. So this works on all Windows computer, whether you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11. You can easily open the Task Manager using the Control, Shift, Escape button, or right click on the taskbar and then choose Task Manager. And once this opens, choose Processes, and here come to Memory. In the Memory section, sort from highest to the least, and you can see I have Screen Recorder taking up about 25%. Then I have the Malware Service Executable, and here I have the Microsoft Edge browser. Now, since I'm not using the Microsoft Edge browser at the moment, all I need to do is to make sure I end or terminate the Microsoft Edge browser activities. To do this, just select it just like this. Come here and click on End Task, or right click on it, then click on End Task. Then once you click on End Task, you see the browser terminated, and then this is going to increase your device memory as well as the CPU. Now, another thing you want to do when you want to clear RAM cache on Windows is to reduce the startup program. So each time you start up your Windows computer, a lot of programs runs concurrently with this computer. So you need to make sure you turn this computer off to make your Windows computer load so fast. Now to do this again, right click on the taskbar, click on Task Manager. Once that opens, on the navigations here, locate Startup. Then locate any of these startup that you don't want to start up whenever your Windows computer is powered on. Here you can see I have the Microsoft Edge disabled. So let's say this is enabled. Like this, you can see the Microsoft Edge is enabled, but I don't want this to start up with my Windows computer. To make sure my Windows computer run very fast at startup, what I need to do is right click on this again and then disable. Or once I click on this, come down here and click on disable. Then once I hit the disable, you see the Microsoft Edge application disable on startup. Then again, I don't want the Microsoft Team enabled on startup, then go ahead and hit the disable. You can even measure the startup impact here. As you can see, the Microsoft Edge has a very high impact on my startup, and the Realtek HD Audio Manager has a very low impact. So this is going to impact my Windows computer startup a little. So this is another measure you need to take when you are trying to clean up or clear your Windows RAM. Then another recommended measure is for you to disable some feature effect. So we all know that your Windows computer has a lot of feature effects. So you need to disable this in order to clear the RAM cache. So all you need to do here is click on the Windows and the E button together, Windows E. Then this is going to take you to your file explorer. Now on the left side here, locate this PC and then right click on it like this. Then you want to select properties. Wait for the properties page to load. Once the properties page loads, you'll be taken to the about page. That's your computer about page. Now come to related link and click on Advanced System Settings. Now you should see your Windows Advanced System Settings pop up just like this. Then locate the Setting tab. This, that is under Performance. Click on Settings under Performance. Select that. Then here you want to check the box next to Adjust for the best performance. Look for Adjust for the best performance here. You say Adjust for best performance. What I have here is let Windows choose what is best for my computer. Here I want my computer to run smoothly and make sure it runs really fast. Then go ahead and click Adjust for best performance. So there are two Adjust for best performance here. This first one is going to adjust for best performance running all this application on my device. Then if I choose the second one, this is going to disable all this application to make my computer run so perfectly or run really fast. Then once that is done, scroll down and click on the apply button. Once you hit the apply button, just hang on and then click on OK. There you go. And once you click on the OK button, again on the system properties page, click on OK, and then you can go ahead and click on the system about page. Now the next thing you want to do here is you may want to try to clear your page file when you are shutting down your Windows computer. So doing this is really important, and what you need to do here is just press the Windows and arrow button to open the Run tab, and then here tap regedit, and then click on the OK button. Tap yes. Once you click on the yes button, then you need to go to H key local machine. So here, come up here, and let me close all this. Then you need to expand H key local machine. Then under that, locate system and expand it. Then once you expand system, locate current control set. So this is current control set. Click on that. And now under current control set, click on control. Then you should see all this expansion. Under that as well, you want to click on session manager. So just scroll down until you get to session manager. So just keep scrolling. Session manager. This is session manager. Here, expand that. Now once you expand the session manager, you want to click on memory management. So that's under session manager. Click on memory management. So this is memory management. Click on that. Now, once you selected the memory management, come to this left side and double click Surface Last Known Status. Now you can see we have the do what 32-bit value. Now you need to edit the value data. On the value data page, instead of setting it to 2, you want to set it to 1. Then go ahead and click on the OK button. Then that is it. This is going to clear your Windows computer memory storage whenever you shut down your computer. Then the last one to do here is you want to flush your RAM cache. So flushing RAM cache is another short way that you can usually use to clear your RAM. So this is how you can easily clear RAM on Windows computer to make your Windows computer run really fast. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.